Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make fluffy slime. So this is a really easy recipe and I really hope you guys do this yourself and don't forget to subscribe and like. Anyways, please comment other slime ideas and how to make them down below in the comments, and let's just get into it. So you're going to need a mixing bowl or cup or plate, whatever you have. I have a cup today, a mixing tool, Elmer's glue, PVA, shaving cream, and food coloring, or any type of coloring you want. So first I'm taking my cup and I am putting in some of my glue. I think that's enough glue. So now what am I thinking? I forgot the activator. So for my activator, I will be using contact lens solution and baking soda. So I'm going to put in a drop of my food coloring and mix. I really like this color. It's kind of, well, it's not really fully mixed yet, but just look at that color. It's like cotton candy. I love it. So now I'm going to add in my shaving cream. So I'm just gonna shake this up a bit and mix. Okay, so I'm mixing that, and now I'm going to put in like 2 pinches of baking soda. So 1 and 2. So now I'm going to put in my contact lens solution, which for some reason is still wrapped.
So anyways, I'm going to put in some of this.
And mix. Now you've got to be patient with slime, so you're going to mix for like a minute or so until you add a bit more activator. So it's been about a minute, and not a minute at all. It's been barely a minute. Anyways, I'm going to put in some more contact lens solution and mix again.
As you're gonna see, it's gonna start to clump together and it's gonna get really hard to mix. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to mix. It's really, really thick, and my hands are covered in shaving cream. Great. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to mix. Stupid Instagram giving me a bunch of notifications.
So I'm going to add a little bit more now. My hands are covered in shaving cream. Not the most satisfying thing that I've ever done or ever had on my hands.
But it's starting to become slime. It's not sticking to my fingers anymore, so that is a good sign. So
I'm pretty sure I can start mixing with my hands now. I'm probably not right, but YOLO. I'm not sure if I should. Okay, that's fine.
It's sticking a lot to the container. Wow. Wow, I was wrong. It's not time for to mix with my hands. But still, YOLO.
I really like the consistency, just still too sticky. So I'm just gonna put that back in.
Oh, it's all over my hands. That's fine. It's kind of hard to mix. That consistency is so nice. You guys seriously have to make this to feel it for yourself. This is amazing.
So the science behind making slime is well, the glue contains polyvinyl alcohol, and when mixed with the activator, it has borax in it, or sodium borate. So when mixed with the PVA, it starts to clump together and it creates slime. And the shaving cream is just to make it even more satisfying. I mean, isn't this satisfying? I mean, I think it's really satisfying. Sorry for the long video, by the way. Okay, it's time to mix with hands. Why am I using a spoon? This is a really nice consistency. Not very sticky anymore. But yeah, it's really nice. Poke is pretty good. And overall, it's amazing. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Comment down below other slime ideas and videos for my channel in general, and I'll see you guys next time.